Good morning, Biddeford High School, and welcome to the WGI Regional here on Saturday, February 24th, 2024 in Trumbull, Connecticut. My name is Jeff Prosperi, coming to you from West Point, New York, where I serve as the principal drummer of the West Point Band's Hellcats at your Army's United States Military Academy. Got the honor, privilege, and pleasure to evaluate your ensemble on music. Really hope my comments would be of some help, and let's have a great run.
Set in stone, WGI Sport of the Arts is proud to present Biddeford High School.
All right, very programmatic, ominous start. The electronics and the acoustic percussion. Yeah, we're gonna get that. Well, at the end of the phrase, we don't crush that last left hand going into the release. We're gonna keep it open. We're gonna get that in the tom voice. Yeah, good tuning in the quad tom voice, tenor voice. Yeah, just watch the beating spot accuracy with the rims as we do that cross through moment with the simultaneous responsibility being layered there, staging wise. Yeah, continue to open up the rhythms. Great ensemble blend in the bass drum sections. Just open up the rhythm so we have rhythmic continuity and cohesion. I thought the quality and the sound and the touch was really good in the basses. Just open up the rhythm so that we connect those together better. Yeah. Yeah, good consistency on the flams into the putters into the rolls. Strong moment for the snare voice. Doing a lot of listening right now to see where we're going compositionally. We're stagnating in terms of development. Now we're here at the arrival moment, but I'm not sure how we got there to use useful compositional tools such as dynamic pacing and density of orchestration. So be careful that we have musical direction using those compositional devices. Yeah, excellent job on the quality of sound on the press roll. Yeah, so I was a little bit concerned. As I said, I was just listening and trying to see where we were going. We stagnated. Then all of a sudden we arrived. So we need to make our developmental journey a little more interesting through the compositional tools mentioned. Okay? Beautiful job. Touch timing in the two marimba voices as they're, massaging the time a little bit, slight rallentando, slight pushing and pulling. And make sure we're interpreting the same. One performer has more body gesture and a little more oomph and determination to the phrase, and other ones not quite there. So, in other words, just got to balance that between the players. Balance interpretation. Really enjoying the vocal line soaring on top of this keyboard moment. Excellent. Beautiful splash of color in the glockenspiel, being led first by the vibraphone. Good composition. Yeah, just little disjunct on the balance and blend and rhythmic timing in the bass drum moment here. Beautiful job, snares. Very crisp. All the way where I'm sitting, I can hear every note, and you're backstage. So I compliment you on that. Excellent. Watch the crossovers. We're not quite hitting our spots with the right hand down to the 14. Hitting some rims there in the tenor voice, okay? Crossovers. Excellent job of nice open rhythms. The suspend and hang over the bar line and push the cadential resolution further down. Watch the timing and accuracy in the keyboard percussion here as we develop that eighth note phrase up the register. Yeah, on the flam, uniformity player to player in the snare voice, we have some wobbling, some swiveling, some shifting back and forth. So just be careful. We're coming straight up and down on the vertical motion of the flam, so we're matching grace note to primary note heights, player to player.
Biddeford High School from Biddeford, Maine, under the direction of Michael Murphy.
All right. Just doing a lot of recap here on my notes. I think the thing I would offer to you the most is considering your musical direction on the long journey in the developmental moments so that we have interest in the journey, and then the arrival, the payoff, is really worth the time of the journey. So I think we have to focus more on dynamic pacing and compositional intrigue and variable degrees of density and thickness and transparency in the journey. Okay? Also, I believe the bass drums sometimes, while they have a nice approach to the drum and have a good sense of quality of sound individually, I think the balance player to player sometimes dips, and also the rhythmic integrity keep the rhythms nice and open so that we can connect those ideas together player to player. Okay? Really enjoyed the snare drum section back court when they had the clarity on the props, and mentioned that be careful, snares, that you don't wobble too much on alternating flams that were coming straight up and down, and the grace notes are uniform player to player. Really enjoyed the soundscape towards the beginning, and keyboard percussion. You have some nice moments in terms of touch and approach to the instrument, but we're not always interpreting that the same player to player. So there's more uniformity there. All right, I really enjoyed the show. Thank you so much for coming out, and I hope my comments would be of some help. Thank you.